Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw Hazel in her mermaid costume from Little Charmers. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with the eyes. We're going to draw two nice round eyes. Both sides. The irises. I'm going to draw two round irises as well, and then light reflections within the irises. Before we draw the pupils, let's still draw two small light reflections. And now we're going to draw the pupils. Nice and round. And let's fill the pupils in. And then on top of the eyes, we're just going to draw the eyelashes. Three little triangles to draw the eyelashes as well. And now it's time for the eyebrows. I'll do the bottom of the eyebrows first, so I'll just draw two curvy lines. And now I'm going to do the top part, and I'm going to keep my eyebrows nice and thin. Right between the eyes, we're going to draw a beautiful little button nose, a circle, and beneath that we're just going to draw a little smile. Now we're going to make her mouth open. We're going to draw an open mouth, so you're just going to draw a little curve beneath that, and there we go, and there's the little mouth. We draw some lips. For the bottom of the jaw, I'm going to make two little dots just below the eyes, or just on the lower end of the eyes, and keep it roughly the same distance. I'm going to start from the middle, and I'm going to draw a nice curve out. And on this side, start at the middle and draw a nice curve out, and there's the jawline. And on top of that, we're going to draw the ears coming out, and now we're going to draw the fringe. I'm going to start up there and do a nice curve down, and I'm going to start up here and I'm going to do the same thing, almost like the lower end of a heart. We're going to keep some individual pieces of hair for the fringe, and on this side I'm going to take the fringe right around and I'm going to connect it to this line. And this is going to give me a base where I'm going to draw the star on top of her head. So I'll draw a little star right there on top. And there's the star. On the side of the head, I'm going to take it down to the ear and just bring it up and connect the ear to the hair. And on this side, we're going to do exactly the same thing. And we're going to bring the ear up, and here I'm just going to draw another piece of hair there just to fill that piece in. Now we're going to start with the body, and I'm going to start with the torso first. So you're going to draw the torso, 3 bumps, then a little star, and now we can draw a belt. It's made of beads, it looks like beads or something. So there's 3 circles and 3 circles, smaller circles, and that will give the shape of the body. And from there I'm going to draw the lower part of her body. So nice round curve going down, and then on this side we're going to do exactly the same thing. You're going to draw this nice beautiful round curve, and we're just going to draw another curve there, and this is going to be a lower end of her body as well. That's going to be some texture we're going to have there. And scales. I'm just going to draw these little scales as well. Now for the fin. Looks like an upside down V. 2 lines like this. And now what you can do is you're going to draw the fin on both sides. We're going to copy. So let's do one side first, and we'll copy it all the way through. On this side, let's do the same thing. Copy it. The other side, make it nice and round. And there's the fin. or the flipper. Now for her arms, I'm just going to make a curve. I'm going to keep it very simple. So we're not going to draw the neck individually, we're just going to make a curve and 2 little bolts at the bottom for her arms. There we go. And maybe just a little fold there as well for her arms. Now we can go to the hair. I'm going to start here at the start, I'm going to bring it down and I'm going to draw the hair. And you'll draw a piece of hair first like this. And then on the other side we're going to do the same thing as well. Nice and round. And you're going to draw another piece of hair and you just can bring that one back. And now we're going to build up from here. We're going to draw the little hairband on top of her head, going to the star, and on this side the hairband continues and it goes back there. So there we have a hairband. And now we're going to draw the ears on top of Hazel's head. So let's finish up with the hair now. You can just draw random pieces of hair. You don't have to copy me exactly, I'm just drawing a few random pieces and I'm going to make the hair right round and let it curve in towards her body. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing, so I'm just going to make another strand of hair there, bring it all the way around the body. That's easy enough. And maybe I'll just draw another piece of hair there as well, just to make it more interesting. And there's Hazel. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors and you can color Hazel in, and I'm sure Hazel will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me, and click and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else and I'll be happy to do so. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.